There, I think that looks so precious. There. Perfect. Okay. So I will just put this in here. See what it looks like. Under shade Douvre. See? Okay, there you have it. I think it looks so pretty. I really like this. Chicken noodle soup. There is a nice space. So flowers and hearts. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. And live in love. Okay, guys. That is everything. If you liked my little Recipe Nook Happynichi Planner, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I hope this motivates you to get in your kitchen, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you so kindly for watching. Take care. Peace.